Have you ever felt like there's a hidden part of you, a version of yourself that's far more capable, confident and powerful, yet for some reason you can't seem to fully tap into that potential? You're not alone. Many of us go through life with this sense that we're not living up to our true capabilities. We feel stuck, held back by fear, doubt, and insecurity. But what if I told you that everything you've been looking for has been inside you all along? In this video, we'll explore the ancient story of Golden Buddha and how it holds a profound message about your hidden potential. We'll uncover why so many of us cover our true selves with layers of doubt and fear, and more importantly, how you can start breaking free from those limitations today. By the end of this video, you'll learn that the strength, wisdom, and potential you've been searching for are already within you, just waiting to be uncovered. Let's begin. Part 1. The story of the Golden Buddha. Our journey began over 300 years ago in Thailand, where a group of monks faced an incredible challenge. War was approaching, and their monastery housed a massive statue of the Buddha, an invaluable artifact made entirely of gold. Fearing that invading forces would steal or destroy this treasure, the monks came up with a brilliant plan. They covered the Buddha in layers of clay and mud, making it look like an ordinary stone statue. When the invaders arrived, they saw the statue but passed it by, assuming it was worthless. The monks' plan had worked. The Golden Buddha remained untouched. However, as the years went by, the story of the Golden Buddha was forgotten. Generations of monks came and went, and the statue remained hidden beneath its layer of mud. It wasn't until 200 years later, during a move to a new location, that something incredible happened. As the monks lifted the heavy statue, a crack appeared in the clay, revealing a glimmer of gold underneath. At first, they thought it was a mistake, but as they chipped away more of the clay, they uncovered the truth. A massive Buddha statue made entirely of gold had been hidden in plain sight for centuries. This story, while remarkable on its own, holds a deeper spiritual lesson for all of us. Just like the Golden Buddha, many of us cover our true selves with layers of clay, layers of fear, doubt, insecurity, and limiting beliefs. We hide our potential, our brilliance, and our strength, not because we don't possess them, but because we're afraid to let them shine. Part 2. The Symbolism of the Golden Buddha. Let's unpack the symbolism behind this story. The Golden Buddha is a perfect metaphor for the human condition. Throughout our lives, we develop layers of protection around ourselves, just like the clay covering the Buddha. These layers often come from childhood experiences, societal expectations, and our fears. Think about it. How often do you play small in your life because you're afraid of failure, rejection, or judgment? How often do you hide your true self because you fear what others might think? These layers of clay are the doubts and limiting beliefs we've internalized over the years. Maybe you've been told that you're not good enough, or that you need to fit into a certain mold to be successful. Maybe you've experienced failure or rejection, and now you're afraid to take risks. But just like the Golden Buddha, your true self, the person you're meant to be, is still there waiting to be uncovered. The layers of clay we build: 1. Fear of failure. Many of us fear failure so much that we avoid taking risks altogether, but in doing so, we also avoid the opportunity to grow and discover our true potential. 2. Seeking approval. We often hide our authentic selves to gain approval from others, whether it's from family, friends, or society at large. But living inauthentically keeps us from uncovering our inner strength. 3. Feeling unworthy. Deep down, many people struggle with feelings of unworthiness. We don't believe we deserve success, happiness, or fulfillment, so we settle for less than we're capable of. Part 3. Uncovering your inner gold. So how do we begin to chip away at these layers of clay and reveal the gold within us? The first step is awareness. You need to recognize that these layers of doubt and fear are not who you are. They're just stories you've been telling yourself. Here are some practical strategies to start uncovering your inner gold. 1. Challenge your limiting beliefs. The beliefs you hold about yourself have a powerful impact on your life. If you believe you're not good enough, you'll act in ways that confirm that belief. If you believe you're destined for success, you'll act accordingly. The key is to identify your limiting beliefs and challenge them. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I'm not capable of doing this," ask yourself, is that true? More often than not, you'll find that your limiting beliefs are based on fear, not reality. 2. Embrace vulnerability. One of the reasons we cover our true selves is because we're afraid of being vulnerable. We don't want to show the world our weaknesses or imperfections. But here's the truth. Vulnerability is not a weakness. It's a strength. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable, you open yourself up to growth, connection, and authenticity. Try this. The next time you feel the urge to hide a part of yourself, lean into it instead. Share your thoughts, express your emotions, and take a risk even if it feels uncomfortable. The more you practice vulnerability, the more you'll uncover your true self. 3. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for uncovering your inner potential. When you practice mindfulness, you become more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors in the present moment. This awareness allows you to recognize when you're operating from a place of fear or limiting beliefs, and it gives you the power to choose a different response. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation, journaling, or simply taking a few moments each day to reflect on your thoughts. Over time, you'll start to notice when you're holding yourself back and when you're allowing your inner gold to shine. 4. Surround yourself with supportive people. The people you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your self-belief. If you're constantly around people who doubt you or put you down, it's easy to start doubting yourself. On the other hand, if you surround yourself with supportive, encouraging individuals, you'll be more likely to uncover and embrace your true potential. Seek out people who lift you, challenge you to grow, and remind you of your worth. These relationships can help you chip away at the layers of clay and reveal the gold underneath. 5. Take action, even if it's scary. The process of uncovering your inner potential requires action. It's not enough to simply recognize your limiting beliefs. You need to take action to overcome them. This means stepping out of your comfort zone, trying new things, and facing your fears head-on. Remember, the Golden Buddha wasn't uncovered overnight. It took years of chipping away at the clay before the gold was revealed. In the same way, you won't uncover your true potential all at once. But with consistent action, you'll start to see glimpses of the person you're meant to be. Part 4. Inspiring real-life examples. Throughout history, there have been countless examples of individuals who, like the Golden Buddha, uncovered their inner gold later in life, after years of doubt, failure, and adversity. Let's take a look at a few inspiring examples. 1. J.K. Rowling. Before J.K. Rowling became one of the most successful authors in history, she was struggling. She was a single mother living on welfare, facing multiple rejections from publishers. But she didn't give up. She kept writing, believing in her story, and eventually, Harry Potter was born. Her success came from her determination to uncover her inner gold, despite the layers of doubt and hardship. 2. Colonel Sanders. The founder of KFC, Colonel Sanders, didn't find success until he was in his 60s. After numerous failures in his early life, including being fired from multiple jobs and having his restaurant shut down, Sanders began pitching his chicken recipe to restaurants. He faced rejection after rejection, but he persisted. Eventually, his persistence paid off, and KFC became a global success. 3. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey's story is one of incredible resilience. She grew up in poverty and faced numerous challenges, including abuse and discrimination. But through it all, she remained determined to create a life of meaning and purpose. Today, Oprah is one of the most influential figures in the world, known for her authenticity and inner strength. The story of the Golden Buddha is a reminder that the power you're searching for is already within you. Your true potential, your inner strength, your wisdom, they're all there waiting to be uncovered. The layers of clay, fear, doubt, and limiting beliefs might feel heavy, but they can be removed. Remember, the process of uncovering your inner gold takes time, effort, and courage. But the reward is worth it. When you allow your true self to shine, you create a life of authenticity, fulfillment, and purpose. So what's your next step? What layers of clay are you ready to start chipping away at today? The gold is there. It's time to uncover it. If this story resonated with you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content on personal growth and self-discovery. Share this message with someone who needs to hear it, and remember, your inner gold is waiting.